Hello everyone, my name is Mack Altidor and welcome to Keys to the Bahamas, your guide to investing in real estate here in the Bahamas. In today's episode, we're diving into some of the essential legal aspects of purchasing real estate here in the Bahamas. With me today is a highly respected real estate lawyer, Mr. Darron Pickstock.
Thank you for having me. Again, my name is Darron Pickstock. I'm a real estate attorney in the Bahamas with the law firm of Glinton, Sweeting, O'Brien, and I possess over 16 years of real estate experience in the Bahamas.
Here at Keys to the Bahamas, our goal is to equip our potential buyers with the essential steps of everything that they need to make a purchase here in the Bahamas. Let's dive into the first question. So Darron, for international buyers interested in purchasing property here in the Bahamas, what are some of the most important legal steps that they need to take?
Well, some of the legal steps or important legal steps that buyers need to know when purchasing in the Bahamas is firstly, they need to engage a local attorney. So Bahamian law requires a buyer or an international buyer to use a local attorney when purchasing property in the Bahamas to ensure that all of the requirements are met. When I say engage a local attorney, I mean engage a local competent attorney. And so that would be the first step I would advise any international buyers to consider when purchasing real estate in the Bahamas.